Thank you very much. Like, comment and share, okay? Like, comment and share. Okay, mount your camera on a tripod, use portrait mode, okay? Then after that, make sure your camera is down. To get results out of this video, your camera must be down. Then after that, can now just make a jump. Just make a jump. Save the video to your gallery and head over to Capcut. Capcut, new project. Import your video to workspace. Click on the video, look for volume. Click on volume, reduce it to 0, mark on this grid and go back. So at this point now, make sure you have a photo of this bridge, okay? Make sure you have captured the bridge, you have a photo. So after that, you click on overlay now, then you click on photo, then you import your bridge. Look at my own photo bridges here. You click on the one preferably to you, then you bring it to workspace, look at it. So at this point, you just want to adjust it to a point where you jump up. Look at it. Look at the point where you jump up. After that, you now click it and expound it. After that, you click, you expound it. Watch what I'm going to be doing now. You expand you expound it. Then after expanding it now, you click it again and go and look for transform. After expanding it, look for transform. Click on transform. Click on resize now. Click on resize. Then you resize it. The purpose you are resizing it here is because you want to show both your leg and your body. Let it see, look as if you stand at the other side of the bridge, okay? Then you resize it. After resizing it, you mark on that good now and go back. Mark on that good there, then you go back. Then at this point, you click it again. Click on the layer again. You go and look for mask. Click on the layer, go and look for mask. Okay, you want to blend it. You can see it has not blended. Click on mask now. Click on horizontal. Turn the line, turn it. Look at what I am doing. You turn it. As you turn it now, make sure it is straight. Make sure it's straight. Then you crumple it to the point of the bridge exactly. Make sure it's on the top of the bridge. Make sure the line is straight so that it will not be bent. Bring it down to the point of the bridge. After that, you mark on that good. Mark on that good now and go back. Mark on the good and go back. Okay, then you use your hand and push it to cover your leg. Look at it. So you are looking at it now. It's now looking as if you stand at the other side of the bridge. That is the purpose of that. You can see, you adjust, then you shift it so that you make sure there is no trace. People will not find out that you cover something. You understand what I mean now? That is the magic there. Look at it now. After that, you can see, play the video now. Let us see the result we have got. Play it, let's see the result we have got. Simple, you can see. At this point, this video now is ready, okay? At this point is ready. What you want to do now is to be cutting out the parts you don't want, okay? So you click on the video now. You want to be clicking on the video now to cut out the parts you don't want. So click it, make a split, delete this part. So this video is ready. What is remaining now is to add your light effect and your sound effect as the case may be. Then after that, you export this video. But maybe you are saying, I don't know how to add it. I want you to put me through. We have got you covered. My number is at the description of this video. Just DM me to put you through, or better still, put it at the comment section. Then after that now, then you just export your video, okay? That is simple. The video is ready. So what you want to be doing now is to click on export. Click on export now. Then you export your video to your gallery. Now you can share it to your social media handles. If you have found value in this video, give us thumbs up, okay? Like, comment and share the video so that YouTube will recommend it to other subscribers out there, okay? And if this is your first time of coming across our channel, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more updates, okay? Locate your notification bell so that YouTube will always notify you whenever we drop our amazing tutorials, okay? Until I come your way again, stay safe. Thank you very much.